Namaskar, this is Nidit Kamleshwar and you are watching Rebel News India. Today is the same date when India revolted against Britishers for the first time in 1857. We have a special clip on that we will show you, but before that, let me start today's top headline from Bihar and regional news.
Bihar reports 31 new COVID cases. State's tally rises to 663. Special trains to ferry 1200 Bihar laborers from Barmer. Bihar students trapped in other states seek help. AES kills one more child in Muzaffarpur, toll to 4 in the state. BMP withdraws 4 companies from field duty in Patna. Minor girl gang raped in Darbhanga. Vaishali man walked 1100 from Jaipur with his wife and 2 kids. Arvind Kejriwal says Delhi will not take any train fare from Bihar. Truck carrying migrant worker to UP overturned in Madhya Pradesh, 5 killed. Andhra Pradesh record 50 new cases in 24 hours. 6 arrested for attacking and spitting on health worker in Surat. Coronavirus patient killed self at Mumbai hospital. 177 Indian stranded in Malaysia returned to Tiruchi. India rejects Nepal's objection to link road for Kailash Mansarovar through Lipu Lake Pass. West Bengal government formed team for monitoring treatment at 5 COVID hospitals.
Take a look of some international news.
France and Spain move towards reopening as global virus cases top 4 million. UK expected to stick to lockdown as Johnson outlines future. US and India working together on 3 coronavirus vaccines, says India's envoy to US. Russian coronavirus cases above 2 lakh. Dr. Fauci, 2 other members of US COVID-19 task force under quarantine. South Koreans warned of second coronavirus wave as cases rebound to 1-month high. Report claims Xi Jinping told WHO chief to delay global COVID-19 warning, UN agency denies. Fearing retaliation after Handwara terror attack, Pakistan Air Force jets increased patrol. A special effect and virtual guest. China weddings go online.
After this all, we cannot neglect to show you some news which are coming from sports and entertainment zone.
UAE offers to host IPL 13, BCCI yet to decide. Till government is sure of safety, national training camps should not restart, says Vikas Krishan. Virat Kohli slays over every dot ball different from other great batsmen, Al Amin Hossain says. Donald Trump congratulates UFC for restarting sports. Blow for Bundesliga plans as Dynamo Dresden squad put in quarantine. AIFF looks to foreign hand and feet to make PIOs and OCIs eligible. Irfan Khan's son Babil shares throwback video of the actor playing with a cat. Ananya Pandey gets nostalgic as Student of the Year 2 completes 1 year. Shilpa Shetty and other Bollywood celebs share cute TikTok videos with their moms. Ayushmann Khurrana pays tribute to motherhood with his new song Ma. Kangana Ranaut shares unseen photos with her mom, pens beautiful poem on Mother's Day. Big B shares mom's old pics, says every day is Mother's Day. The Batman will be darker than previous films, says Andy Serkis.
It's time to show you our special report on First Independence War 1857.
The Indian Rebellion of 1857 was a major but ultimately unsuccessful uprising in India in 1857 to 58 against the rule of the British East India Company, which functioned as a sovereign power on behalf of the British Crown. It began on 10th of May 1857 in the form of a mutiny of sepoys of the company's arm in the garrison town of Meerut. Its name is contested and it is variously described as the Sepoy Mutiny, the Indian Mutiny, the Great Rebellion, the Revolt of 1857, the Indian Insurrection, and the First War of Independence.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.